Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. How are you today? I hope you're well. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Lutfiana Rizky. Today, I will teach you about analyzing enumeration rules. Before we start the lesson today, let's begin the learning by praying. Ready? Begin. Finish? Did you know? Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is mystery. And then today is grace. What does it mean? I think you all already know the meaning is. Okay, now we move to our material today about analyzing enumeration rules, which consists of multiplication rules, addition rules, permutation, and combination. Okay, now I will explain our material today. Please listen to me. Okay, for the first, I will explain about multiplication rules. Multiplication rules usually for a number even that happen at once. And multiplication usually have a conjunction and. Okay, next. Like I said before, multiplication rules are usually for a number even that has happened at once. Happen at once. And then multiplication rules usually have a conjunction and. For example, there are many elements as n. And then for element 1 or U1 can be arranged in K1 ways, and U2 can be arranged in K2 ways until UN can be arranged in Kn ways. Next, therefore, many ways of arranging an element are K1 times K2 times K3 times Kn. Leah have 2 clothes and 3 pants. How many ways Leah pairs of different colors of clothes and pants. answer. Okay, next, Leah have two clothes. That means we can write that like P1, P2 for clothes, and C1, C2, C3 for pants. Then same like P1, P2 and C1, P2 and C2, P3 and C3. So there is many 6 Y's that Leah can use in ones and different type color. Okay, the next material is addition rules. Addition rules usually used for several events that do not happen at once or can be said to be choice. And addition rules usually have a conjunction or. Now I will give you one example about addition rules. Example: Budi has 2 cars and 3 motorcycles. How many ways to go to campus using his personal vehicle? Answer: okay, if you think this exercise using multiplication rules, that is wrong. Why? Because impossible for Budi using to his personal vehicle at the same time. Then how to solve it? Okay, the answer is 2 car and 3 motorcycle. Like I said before, you just need to add them. 2 plus 3, so we get 5 ways. Now I will explain the last material today about permutation and combination. Permutation are combine several objects from a group by paying attention to the order, and then combination are combine several objects from a group without regard the order. Okay, before we move to permutation and combination, I will explain you about factorial. Factorial are multiplication of a positive integer with all other positive integers less than that integer. Example: 7 factorial mean 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. If in mathematics, factorial is n factorial, meaning n times n minus 1. This is n, right? And then n minus 1 times n minus 2, n minus 2, right? Until 1 with n greater than 0. For example, more easy, 3 factorial mean 3 times 2 times 1 until 1. Remember it? Equal 6. Next, permutation and combination. What the difference between permutation and combination? Permutation is used if the event consider order. That means A, B, C is equal B, A, C or B, C, A. The formula of permutation is permutation element n of element r equal n factorial per n minus r factorial. Example, permutation 10 of 3 equal 10 factorial per 10 minus 3 factorial equal 10 factorial per 7 factorial. The meaning of 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. Why we stop at 7 factorial? Because the numerator is 7 and we can cancel it. Then 10 times 9 times 8 equal and then when we use combination, when the event does not pay attention to the order, that means A, B is not equal B, A. It's different. The formula is combination element n of r equal n factorial per n minus r factorial times r factorial. For example, combination 5 of 3 equal 5 factorial 5 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial. 5 factorial for 2 factorial times 3 factorial equal 5, 4, 3. We stop at 3. 2 factorial and 3 factorial. It's same. Yes. We move it. 12, 2. It's equal 10. Okay, that's all for me. I hope you all form a group and look for each of two example of permutation and combination. And for every group, we'll explain the result in front of class. I think that's all. I hope useful for you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.